Winchester Mystery House. Look at Amber with her. I still love Dawn, but no, look at, they're like Princess Leia.
They're Minnie Mouse buns.
Minnie Mouse buns?
Oh, space buns.
Space buns. Everybody wants space buns.
You look so white.
I know, I zonked out on the, there we go. What the hell's Brittany doing? Anyway, we're going to Winchester Mystery House. We're on our way right now. We can't videotape inside, but I'm going to catch a ghost on the outside. Donovan's going to help me.
I like tight buns. Everybody wants space buns.
Okay. So happy Easter. We're the happiest fucking clan out there.
Bitch, I'm falling asleep.
Got here. Oh, it was a fun drive. Oh, we're waiting for Dad. What's he? It's over there. Ah. For some reason, I thought it would be like way out in the country.
I did too.
And it's not. It's like in the middle of the damn city.
It used to be in the country.
It used to be way back in the day. If you saw the movie, you'd be freaking out because it's like this was all dirt and horse and buggies.
Oh, we're coming.
We're apparently going the wrong direction, so we're gonna go this way. Okay. Hi. Man, I've been dying to come here.
There's someone in the window.
Finally. Where? Where? Catch me a ghost.
What's so special about this?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. You are. You think? So we just finished the first part of the tour. We're going to go on the Explore More tour right now. That was really fun. Look at how gorgeous it is out here. That was really fun. We had a really great tour guide, so she was actually really fun. Brittany thought she was kind of cute, not going to lie, but it was a lot of fun. You're welcome. I'm here for you.
Mom, don't embarrass you.
You know, but it was really a lot of fun. So here's what it looks like out here. There's Donovan. There's Amber. She's so pretty. Dear Brittany, she's so pretty.
Okay, let's go.
So we're going this way now. Explore more. Let's go. We're going to go front.
Look at this.
Is he a ghost? Is he there? There he is. Nerd. Amber went to go ask because we're sure we're in the right place. Are we in the right place? Like imagine living here, like with all this. And this used to be all like country.
Yeah.
Isn't that weird? Like this was your exit to your house? Okay.
What did I just do?
And she's like, yeah, sorry, I'm gonna go to, she said she was gonna go.
That's the door to nowhere. Anybody see anything in those windows? Let me know. Other than the people that are on the tour. But yeah, you can't access that room right there. They don't let people in there because it's the door to nowhere. The grounds are ginormous. There's a deer. Oh dear. Oh dear. There's a deer. Oh dear. Part two of our tour, and everybody kind of just spaced out and went different directions, but that's what we're waiting for. They're actually, here comes everybody right now. Let's go look. Crazy kids. How you doing?
Hi.
Where you going?
Hi.
Hi.
Can you take a picture with me?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
If I say this house will poison you, because you have two options of touching this house. You can touch the bare redwood, which if you don't know is slightly toxic, potentially very toxic if you get a splinter, or of course you can touch the original lead-based paint, which kind of has lead on it, so I suggest not touching that one either. Also stay closer to me. This tour is very, very open-ended, as opposed to your mansion tour, which was fairly linear. On this one, if you try to get lost, you will. Guaranteed. Please don't put that to the test. No eating or smoking or chewing gum. Drinks are absolutely fine as long as you keep a cap on them. And finally, when we're in the house, no photography or videography because of the movie. That copyright is still in place, even though it's
so
no
weird.
longer in theaters. All right, with that all out of the way, These are the front doors. Legend says 3 people used the 2 front doors when this house was in use. The 2 men that built it installed them, and this is Winchester. Other than that, only formal guests would get to use them, and Mrs. Winchester never had any formal guests. On top of that, about a week after the doors...
Oh, scary. What are you shooting at? Oh, scary.
That one's not working then.
Okay. At least you're hitting stuff. What's this seance one do? Ooh, oh, hey. The Ouija board and the table moving is the best one. Out of order. Come down here, babe. That one, out of order.
Oh, come on.
Doing nothing. We're just waiting for everybody to get done. Tour's finished. This is the foreman's shed, so the foreman would work back here and live here. God, they got nice houses for working at the Winchester house. And then here's the fruit drying shed. Let's go look.
She would build the employees' home.
That's what they said, that she built their houses.
If they had a family,
Fruit drying shed. Oh, that's cool.
you get a home and you get a home.
Damn, working for Miss Winchester was like the thing to do.
She was the old school Oprah.
She was the old school Oprah.
And you get a home.
You get a home and you get a home. I actually enjoyed the tours, not gonna lie. But I think, oh, what do we got over here? A tank house. Thank you. Oh, the water tank? Been looking for the greenhouse.
This would be so pretty for like weddings and stuff. Or just the same thing.
Where are you having your wedding? At the Winchester Mystery House?
It'd be cool.
This would be cool, actually.
The ghost will follow you home. Just a small. Like,
hello, Daddy.
Small people, you know what I mean? Like.
Oh, look it, entrance.
What? How are you supposed to get a drink out of just take a
Do
bath?
it, cause it's gonna be good. Ready, set, bath for you.
Oh my gosh. That tastes bad. Look at my shirt.
San Jose Waters.
Video access tour. What's
Take
that?
me out of here.
I want that.
What's the video access tour? Why don't we get that one? That's some bullshit. It's the gardener's
That one's $180.
That's 180. The gardener's tool shed. Alrighty. Okay, so we are completely done with the Winchester Mystery House. We did it. I made everybody do it. Amber. Snap my fingers. She appears. But bam. I had fun. Did you have fun? I had a good time. That was fun. So we're headed home. Amber wants Chick-fil-A, but it's closed on Sundays. Plus it's Easter. We keep forgetting it's Easter. So yeah, we're out of here.
Bye.
Bye.